Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new tops from Free Assembly. They have that scoop neckline, the little drawstring buttons with the elastic, that same fit through the back. And these are going to be, I think they're $26. To match, they have a new pull-on skirt. It has the elastic waistband with the drawstring, fit and flare, that same fit through the back. So new vest from Jessica Simpson. This one has that grommet trim. They tie, look at the little embroidered flower. Some fading, same fit through the back with the seam. And they are going to be $42.50. Also new from Jessica Simpson are these little grommet shorts. So it has the bandana belt, the raw hem, same fit through the back. That belt is removable. Shorts are $28.50. Peplum top from Celebrity Pink. This one has that flutter sleeve, the little drawstring, eyelet trim, same fit through the back with the smocking, and the white also comes in the yellow, and they're $20. The shoulder sweatshirts from No Boundaries. These have that finished hem, French terry, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back, and they're $12.98. Millie Bobby Brown jeans. These are a boyfriend style. It looks like they're a little high rise. It says low rise, but what about all that? Or maybe like make them hang. The raw, little distressing, same fit through the back, and they are $26.50. Pretty are these new Celebrity Pink dresses. They have the thicker strap with that lace trim, this little ruche detailing, seam, flowy, smocking in the back, in the floral, also in this blue stripe, and they're going to be $26.50. So new pants and tank from Millie Bobby Brown. So these have the little bow detail smocking. It is a crop top. That's what the set looks like on. So blue stripe with the little sailboats, and then solid white. Those are $18.50. And then to match, they have the pull-on pants. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy leg in the sailboats, also in the solid white. Pants are $24.50. So new little pinafore overalls from Celebrity Pink. So this is a twill material, has the adjustable straps, the two front pockets, same fit through the back, and they're $24.50. One shoulder tank from Millie Bobby Brown. So this one has the built-in shelf bra, nice and stretchy, only seeing the white, and this one is $16.50. An online only little pleated dress. I saw this in another store, but I didn't get to film it. That's what the material looks like up close, and then it has the little pleated skirt at the bottom with the built-in shorts. From No Boundaries. I think these are like 15 or 16. I have a new denim skirt from No Boundaries. Button zip, that raw hem, seam fit through the back, and they're $12.98. New capri style pant from Gloria Vanderbilt. Has the button zip, pocket straight through the leg. In the white, also comes in the denim. They're $29.98. A little cover up. See how everything is like put in the right place? I don't even know where to start. Did we see these shorts before? They have a drawstring linen style short from Time and True. I know we saw those before. I think they're 15, between 15 and 20. Short sleeve cardigans from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, buttons, puff sleeve, ribbed bottom. I know they had these at the other store that I went to, but I wasn't filming, but I only see this one here. But they're really nice for summer because they're the short sleeve. Navy in that cardigan, so maybe they do have them here. Reebok short sleeve, scuba pullovers, and then they have the matching shorts. So these have a zip, the drop sleeve kangaroo pocket. In the light blue, they also have black and red, and then they also have the shorts. These are that same material with the little dolphin hem. The shorts are going to be $20 in all of those same colors. Well, these when I came in, and I'm like, I'm definitely not skinny enough and too old for this, but look how cute. And then look at these. These are $15.98. And then look, I love the little camo print, and then the camo has the skirt with the ruffle. Definitely too skimpy for me, but really cute. This I could probably do with, if it's a high rise. Oh yeah, and it is a high rise bottom. See, that's not too bad. That's top still $15.98, bottoms $15.98. That's really cute. Cute. These are the little like cover-up skirts with the tops. Has the starfish. I think it's too thin to be. Oh yeah, it has the open side. That's adorable. And then the top has that halter neck with the little tassel. Oh, I love this. There's blue in both. Scoop top. This might be an online only. It has the scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, fabric covered buttons with the lace trim. Seam through the back. So new graphic sets, how adorable. They have cinnamon roll with the lemons, the rib tank, and then a softly short. There's a Hello Kitty, the mini with the cherries, and the strawberry shortcake. Color in these shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, French terry. We saw them in the red and white. Now they have the blue and white, and they're $6.98. Fold over skirts from No Boundaries. These are ribbed and stretchy. Has the built-in shorts. Only seeing the black. No pajama sets from No Boundaries. So these have a lace trim. This little faux button, flowy, lightweight fabric, flowy little shorts. How cute. It's a little bow print. They also have this brown gingham, a pink stripe. Let's see how soft that is. The bow. I mean bear with the bows. And then there's a blue plaid, and those sets are $16.98. And then also in those prints they have a nightgown. So it has that same lace trim, the empire waist. In the bear there's a pink stripe, and those are $16.98. In the Joyce Bun tank and shorts pajama set. So these have the thick strap, scoop neckline, relaxed fit, pull-on shorts, and the leopard, the pink with the palm trees, yellow with the sheep. We saw the stars, the little coffees. What is the tank? The tank top has a little coffee cup. How cute is that? And then the little bicycle. It says Bonjour with the Bonjour shorts, and then a green with the little dogs. How cute is that? They got the wiener dog, the cavalier. Looks like a long-haired chihuahuas. Oh, Joyce Bun graphic sweatshirt. It's French terry soft. They got wifey, and then bride. And the sweatshirts are. They don't have it. I'm looking at the signs at the top. You know what they have now. And then the tees are new. Those are like a boxy with the side stripe. And the pink, there's also green. Those are $11.98. To match, they have the pants. So I guess they're both like a French terry. That's what the shirt's like. And then the pants are wide leg crop. How cute is that outfit? The green and the pink, just like the tops. More new Joyce Bun print. So they have thin strap nightgown with the lace. How pretty is this peach color? Also the mauve. Those are $9.98. Then they have the little tank and shorts in the green, the mauve, and then that peach with the palm print. Oh, look how cute. The little sailboats, palm trees, the button-down shirt with that. These are $18.98. And then they also have a pant. And then they also have the green with the white trim, and then a mauve and burgundy stripe. New graphic tee from No Boundaries. This has that crew neckline baby tee, $98. If that said $99, I'd have to get it because that's the year I graduated high school. And then they got a little double layer tank. How cute. I just saw something similar at Old Navy. These are $9.98. So it's like a built-in or removable. So you get the 2-for-1, a tank, and then the little soft bra. And then they have my favorite sleep pants. These are so comfortable. In the blue with that light blue stripe. I wonder what this color. They probably have a burgundy tee with this color. I don't see it here, but I wonder what it says if it says 99. The sweatpants are $14.98. They also have the shorts in that pink, the little dolphin, my favorite material. And then a new little boxer short. And it says shorts are $9.98, but usually those boxer shorts are $6.98. I've been to this one in a while. I know they always have like the really good pajamas for some reason. Look how pretty. Even the store got really unorganized. I don't know, I guess they're moving stuff. But they have this new little satin nightgown. Look how pretty that is. And these are $16.98. New color in the button down cover up from Time and True. This has this smaller collar now. They have this blue and white seersucker. I think they were $22.98. Also combination of the eyelet and the yellow. These dresses, I think they're online only from Scoop. So they have that plunging neckline, oversized puff sleeve, the cutouts on the side, fit and flare, longer length, and then that same fit through the back. So online only dress from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, the ruffle trim, pearled buttons, drop tier with the pockets, and then the same fit through the back. They have another new, this is probably online only color from Time and True, that eyelet top. So it has a higher neckline, the scallop trim with the keyhole. Now in the brown, they also have red. We saw a few other colors, and then I also think there's some other new colors online. And those are $17.98. So new print in this style dress. So this one has these smock straps, a little bit of smocking at the top, fit and flare out, same fit through the back, and they're $27.98. Also new from Time and True are these front pocket shorts. They have that 4-inch inseam high rise, pockets in the back in the red. They also have that new light chambray, and they're going to be $19.98. Tanks from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline, a little bit of a cap sleeve, drawstring in the waist with the eyelet trim bottom, same fit through the back in the white, also comes in the navy, and they're $15.98. So new colors in this Time and True tee. So they have the V neckline relax fit, that burnout material in this pink. There's red, blue, white, navy, and they're $7.98. So new cuff jeans from Free Assembly. So these have the whiskering. It looks like they're high rise, that raw cuff at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. They say they are a mid-rise cuff crop, and they're going to be $30. New puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie detail to poplin with the drop tier, that same fit through the back. Comes in the stripe, and then they also have a denim, and they're $36. The denim has that same oversized bow. New striped jeans from Free Assembly. This matches back to the vest that we saw. I don't think they have them here, but these are a mid-rise relaxed straight carpenter jean. They have the little seaming, the hammer holder, seam fit through the back, and the jeans are $32. Colors in this little ruffled sweater from Free Assembly. It has a high neckline, the little ruffle on the sleeve, also at the bottom in the blue, also in the green, and they'll be linked down below. So new from the Casey Lee line, they have this denim oversized jacket. This has the button detail, full button, the 2 front pockets, seam in the back. The dress is $40. They also have this red stitch, little seamed button down western shirt. The same fit through the back, and this is $28. Also new from the Casey Lee line, they have the denim one piece. This one has the underwire, the hook and eye closure in the back. The one piece is $36. And the same print as the dress, they have this one piece. It has that little tie, scoop in the back. It looks like it's really cheeky. Also going to be $36. And also new from the Casey Lee line is this triangle top. This one has that stitch detail, tie. I don't see the bottoms. Maybe I'll go with that. The tops are 22. So new, longer tankini bikini top from Time and True. This has that same twist front. The ruching on the side has these straps and then this little adjustable tie in the back. Goodness, look what they have in the kids section. These rainbow bright pajamas. These are $15.98. The biggest size, it looks like, is medium here. I gotta get that for my daughter. That was like my favorite. They also have Mean Girls. And look how cute these button downs are with the little flags from US Polo. They don't have the price. They also have the classic white with the, oh, look at how cute with the little flag. They also got USA tees with the little logo guy. A flag. Those are $12. Men's, but I did an outfit idea with this for my other social media, and I sold a lot of these. I just had it thrown over the shoulder, so it's really soft from Free Assembly. Has that polo. Those are $30. But they have a Dolly tee, and then a Mickey, red, white, and blue. Betty boot with the baseball. I just donated my yellow Betty boop that I had for a while. It was just time. I had it for so long. The grit license tees are $12.98. Nirvana. This one is its way to celebrate. Color in these footbed sandals from Free Assembly. They have that round toe, the thong style with this sling back. These are $36. Also new little rope sandals from Free Assembly. They have that knotted detail with this sling back. Those are $38. Loafers from Time and True. These have the round toe, that little knotted detail. Wide width is available. These are $24.98. New mountain sole sandals. These have that braided strap with the little buckle. Footbed bottom in the black. I think we saw them in the brown before, and they're $28. Loafers also come in black, and they're also wide width, so those might be available only in wide width. Knit sneakers from Avia. These have that platform bottom. There's no logo on the inside, and then that's the logo on the outside, and those are $40. $25.98. Look how cute these are. They're new. So sneak peek item, they have that square toe, the mesh. I love a wedge. And those are $29.98. Also in the rope are these sandals from Free Assembly. They have the round toe, little ankle strap, and they're $38. New colors in the toe wrap sandal from Time and True. This has that round toe, the little gold toe ring with that metal strap, and then a black strap with the ankle strap. In the black, also in cognac, and they're $19.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.